The SENIX 22-inch gas mower brings serious engine power to your lawn maintenance routine. It features a large deck and self-propelled drive system to help finish tasks faster. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let us break down if this machine is right for your property. Let us take a look at the hardware specs and design features that drive this lawnmower. This mower focuses on a robust 201 cubic centimeters engine to ensure the blades keep spinning through thick grass. The 22-inch deck size allows for fewer passes around the yard. These features are designed to maximize efficiency for most home lawns. The 201 cubic centimeters engine provides plenty of power to handle varied grass heights without stalling out. The 22-inch cutting width is excellent because it helps you cover ground faster than smaller models. Adjusting the height across 6 different levels is simple thanks to the single-handle synchronized system. The engine and cutting deck combination offers strong performance for residential needs. We should also consider what it is like to own and maintain this piece of equipment. Owning a gas mower involves more than just pushing it across the grass. You need to account for fuel and engine upkeep. However, the inclusion of a 2-year warranty provides some peace of mind for your investment. The 2-year warranty is a nice safety net to have for the main engine components. The value is solid, although you must factor in the recurring cost of fuel and maintenance. While the self-propelled drive helps, gas mowers are naturally heavier and demand more regular maintenance. Reliable warranty support balances the ongoing requirements of a gas engine. The SENIX mower is a dependable choice for those sticking with gas power. It provides the muscle needed for tougher grass and a wide deck to cut down on time. While it lacks the simplicity of battery electric mowers, the mechanical power is undeniable. If you want a sturdy machine that gets the job done, this is a solid contender.